Well, I hope you guys can hear me over this wind. I've been trying to get this video out for you guys for a while now, but every single time I do it, I get bad weather like this. So I figure this is better than nothing, and then maybe later on I'll do an even more in-depth review of this car if I still have it by then. But this is my 1993 Eldorado. I believe it's just a base model, but yeah, so this car has the 4.9 liter V8, and this produces right around 200 horsepower. It's probably a lot less. This engine has 180,000 miles, but it was kept in really good care. It just needs a good wash down, to be honest. Just got the front bumper here actually pushed out. I went underneath here and took a sledgehammer to the 5 mile per hour bumper, and I got it pushed out because I think it was, yeah, it's right where this is sticking out. So I'm gonna have to probably self-tap this because it's so bent from staying like that for probably a couple of years now. So yeah, there's that. Nice American hood. This car is pretty decently long. It uses the same platform as my Toronado, so go ahead and give her a start up. Not bad. I need to put some fuel into her, but you know, I'll turn that off. So yeah, here it is. You know, it's not bad. There's not too many issues with this car. I got to get 2 new left tires on the, or yeah, I gotta get 2 new left tires because they are shot and one's leaking. So yeah, there's that. Well, I guess I lied about the mileage. It's got 181,000. I got the original radio put back in here with the cassette player, so I'm glad to have that. I gotta find a little bezel that goes around that, and in red, of course. I had a tan one, but it was from a later year model, so it didn't work, of course. So, but the stereo in this is really nice. I just changed the, let's see here, where's it good? There we go. So it's got a good stereo system in it, especially just for stock. This car came with a bunch of the stuff. We'll get that out of the way. Came with its dealer manual, a couple light bulbs, and I'll have to figure out this, but it came with the original emblem that's supposed to go onto the front of the hood, but it's in here for now. But yeah, here we go. I also have to give this car a really good cleaning because it's disgusting in here. For some reason it has a 92 book. I'm not sure why, but yeah. Look how fancy the Cadillac Brome in the background there. Ooh. Wait, the penalty of leadership? That's exactly what I want to see when I first open up the book. But yeah, it came with the original owner's manual. It's nice leather. It's actually in really good condition. And the glove box is really nice too. Yeah, everything's really nice. It's got a wood grain that wraps around the entire front dash here. Comes back around. This was broken. It actually had a tab missing on this side, but now it's all nice and sturdy. But over years of time, it has come loose. But both windows work, so that's good. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. It's got the digital dash and it's a column shift. So this is just like my 87 that I just sold, you know, and it's really nice shifting through gears. It's the only warning symbol I have, which is service ride control, but I hear you can pull one from a junkyard for just a couple bucks, so I'll keep a lookout for that. This has a sunroof on it. It doesn't work. But I think what I was saying, or what I was hearing, and I found paperwork in the trunk. This is actually an aftermarket sunroof, so there's that. I don't really care for sunroofs, but hey, I'll take the extra glass, you know. Nice little visors and all that. Everything's really nice. I like how the headliner isn't sagging. which is nice. Got dual bucket back seats with a center console. So, and then you got your own little center console here. Really nice. I got to figure out how this clamps down, or just find one that has a similar console like this, because I don't know. Like, and this car is just like the Toronado, where it has like little to none information on it. So, but yeah, that's it for the Eldorado. I guess we can go outside and take a look around it. So we'll do a full walk around with the vehicle. Like I said, I need to take this to this car wash, get this thing nice and clean. I went through some pretty gnarly mud on the way to work, so and this thing's covered with salt too, because you know, Michigan in winters. I gotta get the exhaust replaced too. Rear muffler's all rotted out on it. But yeah, this is also a nice little ding here. It's got some rust there, but it's not, overall the body's not too bad. And of course you got big old Bertha freaking put in there. It's not bad per se, but it definitely needs to come out. I'm thinking I can just take this panel out in the back seat here, and I can just end up pushing this out, or I can take this to my cousin's shop and he can pull it with the suction tool. So there's my 1993 Cadillac Eldorado. May it serve me well to going back and forth to work. So yeah, there's that. Here's the Trofeo. It's a 1972. Picked it up from was it Lookingville, Pennsylvania. We're still in Pennsylvania right now, but yeah, we got it. Unfortunately, the entire rear end is rotted out on this thing, so scrapping or parting this out. There it is.